Hello, dear students. I, Ashok Verma, your English teacher, welcome you all in my class. Dear students, how are you? I hope you all are fine and doing your works. Today, we are going to start a new chapter in this video, and today we will start the notice writing. Before we proceed, we will see what a notice writing is. A notice is a formal means of communication. The purpose of notice is to announce or display information to specific group of people. Once again, I would like to say notice is a piece of writing that is written with a purpose to give some information or to make some announcement about any particular thing. A notice is generally written to give some information or make some announcement about any celebration and any function or any competition, or sometimes it is also written to give information about the things which are lost or found. Okay, so let us start and see how can we write the notice. Dear students, on this slide you can see there are some pictures. Do you think these persons can help us and these things can help us in writing the notice? And if they can, how can they help us? Let us see. Actually, I wanted to ask this question to you, but as you are not present because of this corona pandemic, so I will answer all the question. Who is that singer you can see in this picture? That is Sonu Nigam. And in the next picture, in the picture number 2, what the chef is doing? If you see that, the chef is tasting the food. And what are these foods? Number 3, 4 and 5. I hope your mouth will be watering. मुंह में पानी आ रहा होगा. Okay. Can you tell me the name? As you are not here, I will tell you the name. The third one is dosa. Fourth one is idli. And fifth one is sambar. So you can say in a picture there are some things. And what are those? Sonu Nigam, the singer, and then a chef is tasting the food, and then there are some foods: dosa, idli and sambar. Do you think these people can help us in remembering the format of the notice? As you know that in any piece of writing, when we are writing any notice or any letter, the most important thing is the format. सबसे important चीज़ क्या होती है? फॉर्मेट. तो ये जो चीज़ें थी हमें फॉर्मेट लर्न करने में हेल्प करेंगी. कैसे हेल्प करेंगी? एक सेंटेंस बनाएंगे. व्हाट विल बी योर सेंटेंस? योर सेंटेंस विल बी सोनू निगम टेस्टेड डोसा इडली सांबर. सोनू निगम टेस्टेड डोसा इडली सांबर. This just learn this sentence, and this sentence will help you in remembering in learning the format of the notice. How can it help? See, I have given you explanation. Sentence is Sonu Nigam tasted dosa idli sambar. Sonu stands for school name. Nigam stands for notice. Tasted stands for topic. Dosa stands for date. Idli stands for information. Information is also called body. And sambar stands for sign. So these are the things 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 that will come in a format of the notice. So what are the things that you have to write? First of all, you have to write the name of the school in the capital letter. The name of the school in the capital letter. Here I will like to tell you that when you are going to write the name of the school, do not start it from the corner of the page. Rather, try to write it in the middle of the page, leaving some margin on both sides of the pages. पेज के दोनों साइड थोड़ा थोड़ा मार्जिन छोड़ते हैं. Next thing that you have to write after you have written the school name, just you come to the next line, and in the next line you write the word notice, and write the word notice with the capital letter. As you can see, school name means Sonu Nigam. Then the word notice, The word notice will come in the middle in the capital letter. What will you write the next? Next you will write topic. You will write the word topic, means on which topic you are writing the notice, and it should also be written in the middle of the page. And in the next line you will write the date. The date should be written in the left corner. Remember here, when you are going to write the notice, you will not write the word date. Word date नहीं लिखोगे, सीधे you will directly write whatever date is. And when you have written all these things, in the middle you will write the information. Information stands for the body of the notice. और जब notice, when your notice is over, leave a line, make your sign. Actually you have not to make the sign, you have to write your name here. Okay, you have to write your name here. So what was the sentence? Sonu Nigam tasted dosa, idli, sambar. S for Sonu, and notice N for Nigam, topic T for tasted, date dosa, information idli, and sign sambar. You can see this sentence, Sonu Nigam tasted dosa, idli, sambar, can help us in learning the format of the notice. I hope that you have got the idea how you have to write the format of the notice. Okay, and the most important thing about the format of the notice is the notice is always written in the box. Okay, so notice is always written in the box. Once again I'm telling you, when you will make the box, you don't try to make the box full of the full page. Make it in the middle of the page, leaving some margin in the both side of the page. Don't make it a box of the full page size. Make a box inside the page, leaving some margin both the sides. Once again I'm telling you what are the things that you have to write in the format. First of all, the school name. Second, the word notice. School name and notice should come in the capital letter, and when you will write the school name, you will leave some margin on both the sides. This side you will leave some margin, and this side you will leave some margin. You will not start your notice, the names of school, directly from that place. Leave some margin on both the pages. Then in the middle of the page write the word notice, and then the topic, date, and information, and the sign. Now we will learn how to write the information, means how can we write the body of the notice. That is the most important thing. अब हम सीखेंगे कि हम नोटिस के मेन बॉडी को कैसे लिख सकते हैं. हाउ कैन वी राइट द मेन बॉडी ऑफ द नोटिस. इट इज़ वेरी सिंपल. टू राइट द मेन बॉडी ऑफ द नोटिस, you just give the answer of 5 questions, then your notice will be written. What are those 5 questions? First question is what. What means what is the matter or event about which you are writing the notice. कौन सा मैटर है, कौन सा इवेंट है, किसके लिए नोटिस लिख रहे हो. सेकेंड थिंग, वेयर, वो इवेंट कहाँ पे होगा. वेयर द इवेंट विल टेक प्लेस. when it will take place. Whereabout means detail. Just give some detail of that particular event. जिसके बारे में भी नोटिस लिख रहे हो उस चीज़ का some information प्रोवाइड कराओ, उसका कुछ information प्रोवाइड कराओ. Provide some information of the things of the event that you about which you are writing the notice. And the last question is, the question number 5 is what to do. What to do means the person who is reading the notice, what that person should do after writing the notice. If you answer these 5 questions, your notice will be written very easily. Let us see the next part. To write the body of the notice, first of all you should start your notice by using any of these lines. इसमें से कोई एक लाइन यूज करके नोटिस लिख लो. व्हाट आर द लाइन्स. इट इज हियर बाई इन्फॉर्म दैट. either this line. Second is this is to notify that. Second line is this is to notify that. And third line is sorry, the third one is this is to inform that, and third one is this is the word to is missing over here. It should be this is to notify that. Choose any of these lines to start your notice. इसमें से किसी एक लाइन को चूज करके अपना नोटिस स्टार्ट करो. ओके, आफ्टर यू हैव रिटन दीज लाइन्स, जब ये लाइन्स लिख चुके हो, देन यू गिव द आंसर ऑफ all these 5 questions. What are those questions? Once again I'm telling you. What means what is happening, what is going to happen, or what has happened. क्या होने वाला है या क्या हो चुका है. Second question is where it will happen, or where had it taken place. Third one is when. Next question is whereabout means detail, and the last one is what to do means the person who is reading the notice, what should that person do after reading the notice. And one most important thing about the notice, while you are writing the notice, do not use these words in your notice. I have indicated you, do not use I, me, my, we, us, our. ये क्या होते हैं? They are the enemy of the notice, and if they come there, they will kill that person called notice. अगर ये लोग आ गए तो नोटिस को मार देंगे. So what you have to take care, you should not use these words I, me, my, we, us, our in the notice. Okay, so I hope that I have given you what are the things that you have to mention in the notice. Let us understand it by an example. Okay, your question is, you are Aditi of Poddar Educational Society. Your school is going to organize an inter-school drawing competition. Draft a notice for your school notice board giving necessary information and inviting participation. Once again, dear students, I will like to tell you, when you are going to write any notice or any letter, read the question again and again, because most of the answers are there in the question itself. Maximum answers वही question में ही होते हैं. Okay, so let us start the notice writing. As I told you that when you will write the notice, first of all, what will you write? You will write the school name. I have written it, and I told you leave some margin on both the sides. As you can see, some margins are left. Poddar Educational Society. Next thing, the word notice in the capital letter written. Third thing, the topic. What was the topic? Drawing competition written. Next thing, date. You will always write the date in this format. Okay, always write the date in this format. Now let us come to the body of the notice. This is called the body of the notice. This is your body of the notice. How will you write? As I told you, जैसे मैंने कहा ऊपर in the previous slide, I gave you some lines and I ask you to choose any of these 3 lines. It is hereby informed that, this is to inform that, or this is to notify that. Choose any of these lines to start your notice. कोई भी एक लाइन चूज कर लो नोटिस स्टार्ट करने के लिए. हमने क्या चूज किया? दिस इज हियर बाई इन्फॉर्म दैट. ओके, रिटन दैट थिंग. आफ्टर यू हैव रिटन दैट थिंग, नाउ answer the 5 W's. Now give the answer of those 5 W's. Your notice will be written. What are those 5 W's? No. So this is hereby inform that. First question is what is going to happen? क्या होने वाला है? An inter-school drawing competition. Okay. After you have written the name of the event, you can use 2 words. Will be held, or in place of will be held के place पे और क्या लिख सकते हो? You can also write is going to be organized. Okay, this is to this is hereby inform that an inter-school drawing competition will be held or is going to be organized. सो क्या होने वाला है, इंटर स्कूल ड्राइंग कॉम्पिटिशन, फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन. सेकेंड क्वेश्चन वाज वेयर, एट पोद्दार एजुकेशनल सोसाइटी. Answer second question. Now third question. When? On 20th July 2020. So you have given three answer of three questions. What, when and where. You can see it. Next, full stop. Whereabout. Now give the answer of the fourth question. Fourth question is whereabout. Whereabout means detail. Give some detail about that event. What is your event? Event क्या है? Drawing competition. कुछ इसका detail दो. What are the things that you can mention in the detail? A lot of things are there that you can mention in the detail. You can mention how many students can participate from one school, and who will provide the materials for the drawing, and who will provide the topic, when the topic will be provided. A lot of informations are there that you can give. I have chosen some. Now the topic will be given, uh, the students have to bring their own materials. Information number 1, that was the information number 1. The students have to bring their own materials. Topic will be given by school. Some more information. ओके, हम यहीं पे छोड़ते हैं बिकॉज वी हैव वर्ड लिमिट. इतना हो गया. नाउ द नेक्स्ट थिंग, लास्ट क्वेश्चन, व्हाट टू डू. द पर्सन हु इज रीडिंग द नोटिस, व्हाट शुड ही डू. Interested students can give their name to their class teacher. It is not necessary that you should always write their class teacher. You can write any, you can write your monitor, you can write your the interested students can give their name to monitor, to class teacher, to art teacher, to head boy, to head girl, anybody. Then for more information contact class teacher. Your notice is complete. Leave a line, and after leaving the line you do one thing, write your name. Do not make sign. Write your name and then write who are you, head boy, head girl, and put it into a bracket. Your notice is complete. I hope you will understand this thing. In case you have any problem, then let me know. There is another example. You can also see that. One more thing, you will remember that I keep in your mind that notice has a word limit. Notice should be written only in the 50 words. And last, write, complete the first question. I'm just giving you, you what you have to do, you have to do this second question as your homework. Do this second question as a homework and send it to me. Thank you.